Hello everyone, my name is Blake Edwards and I've been developing Power BI reports out of Odoo for almost 3 years now. In this time, I've got to experience firsthand how an ERP, which is supposed to make your life easier, can actually do the complete opposite. So in each of these videos, I'll be breaking down one of the reports that I've made and I'll go through the specific problem that the report aimed to solve for a business. All right, with all that being said, let's get into today's report. Today, I'm going to be running through a DIFOT report. Now, DIFOT stands for Delivered in Full on Time, and we use this report to track the delivery performance in our supply chain. So what percentage of customer orders are we delivering in full and are we delivering on time? So in an ideal world, this should be as close to 100% as possible, because if it's not, chances are our customers are going to go somewhere else because we're either not delivering what they're ordering or we're not delivering their order when we say we're going to. So definitely something we want to try to get to 100%. The report itself is quite simple. Up the top, we've got the breakdown for each metric. So delivered in full percentage is just the percentage of sales orders that were delivered in full. Let's say our customer ordered 10 of something and we did deliver 10, then that would be a yes. That would be reflected here. But if we delivered, let's say 8 because we were out of stock or we had faulty products, maybe something happened when we were actually delivering it, then that will be a no and this percentage will decrease. Next up, you've got the delivered on time. So if we told them we were going to deliver it tomorrow and we did, then that will be a yes. But then if we didn't, it will be a no. And once again, that will decrease this percentage. Then finally, you've got the DIFOT percentage, which is just a breakdown of both. So the total number of customer orders that were both delivered in full and delivered on time. All right, so then you've got the breakdown based on the date range that's selected. So at the moment, I've got March 2024 selected. We can see that for this fake company, they have delivered 100% of the orders in full, which is perfect. But it looks like there's been a lot of orders that weren't delivered on time. So they need to figure out why that's happening, because we definitely need to be bumping that number up. Up here, you can change the KPI to whatever you want to actually accomplish as a business. So let's say business wants to hit 98% for the month of March. They'll go in, they'll change that. And then the colors of the bars will change based on whether they're actually hitting that KPI or not. So let's say I change this back to 90%. You can see that a lot more of the days are green because obviously that KPI is lower. Then down here, you've got just a bunch of filtering that you can do. Maybe you want to look at a specific customer industry, product range, anything like that. You can track the DIFOT percentage based on that. But yeah, that's pretty much this page. Then you can go over to detail, and that will just give you the actual sales order information. Maybe you wanted to look at a specific day on why the DIFOT percentage was low. You could go in here and you could look at a specific sales order and see why. But yeah, that's pretty much the report. Now I will jump into the data model. All right, so what you see in front of you is the data model. Now the model for this report is actually quite simple. Most of the complexity is actually within the measures or the formulas that we've created to track the DIFOT. But yeah, nothing too special here. We've just got our sales order information. Then we've got our lookup tables. In this case, we just needed our customer information and our product information. And then we also have our delivery carrier table, which just gives us everything about our freight providers. So, what carriers are we using for each of our sales orders? But yeah, that's pretty much the model. Before I let you go, I am currently offering a completely free customized Power BI report specifically for Odoo users. So if you own a company who has Odoo implemented, or you work for a company that is struggling with the lack of reporting functionality that it has, please don't hesitate to reach out. It is completely free. There is no strings attached. I really do just want to show you the potential of Power BI because I know firsthand how frustrating it can be having to pay developers $200 to $300 an hour just to make a minor software change, which probably takes them 5 minutes to do, but they still bill you for 4 hours. So I want to try to take some of that burden off. So if that's of any interest to you, I'll leave my website link in the description where you can request that demo. But even if you don't, no stress at all. I hope you enjoyed the video and you got something out of it, and I will see you in the next one.